Hi, my name is Jenny and this is my YouTube channel. I'm an amateur vegetable grower and I'm based in northwest England, and on this channel I'm going to be sharing my tips for managing a low maintenance allotment, some organic gardening, and generally just charting the journey from starting an allotment all the way through to having a really flourishing place for your fruits and vegetables. So if that is something that you're interested in, please do subscribe and make sure that you don't miss out on any new content. I'm going to be posting videos every single Wednesday and it would be great to have you on the journey with me. So please say hello in the comments below and I look forward to seeing you next time.